Hello and welcome to the Kenneth Vercammen Law Office Legal Podcast. This edition, we're going to talk about a new temporary law in New Jersey which allows attorneys and notaries to notarize documents where they watch the person sign via a webcam, Zoom, FaceTime, Skype, etc. during a public health emergency. So basically, in New Jersey, it's as long as Governor Murphy says there's a state of emergency going on. So it was creating a problem because certain documents need to be signed by a notary in the room at the time, such as wills, powers of attorney, deeds, etc. Now, there's a law that was signed by the governor on April 13 that permits things to be notarized by notaries and attorneys where they're not in the same room but they're watching it. So, what are some of the examples of things that can be notarized? Well, we've discussed deeds. It's also important for real estate transactions because in real estate transactions there used to be a whole crowd of people in the room. Realtors. For wills, it requires the witnesses still to be in the room, but it is a good start. So, what does the law require? Well, number one, satisfactory proof of identity. So the person has to show us driver's license, a passport, for seniors, some type of ID if we don't know them ahead of time. Next, there has to be like a confirmation of everything that was going on. The document has to indicate that it's being remotely notarized, and there has to be a recording of the notarization, again through FaceTime, Zoom, or any type of video service that requires a recording. And the notary or attorney must create a recording of the signing and save the recording for 10 years. So, what I've suggested people to do is for some of the documents, get them signed now, have the attorney prepare a will, power of attorney, living will, advance directive, sign them now. But when the world opens up again, let's re-sign everything without having to do the remote notarization. For more information on signing and preparation of wills, powers of attorney, living wills, visit website njlaws.com, njlaws.com. There's a contact button on that for people to have us do their documents, or call us 732-572-0500. Thank you.